What documents do I need to provide in order to find my passport number details?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about an important issue: how to retrieve your passport number. This can be a critical need if you've lost your passport or simply don't have it on hand when you need to provide that information. Let's dive into the specific documents and steps you'll need to go through in order to retrieve your passport number.
Why do I need my passport number?
In the modern age, your passport number is more than just a number in a little booklet. It's an identity document that is internationally recognized. Passport numbers are often required for various reasons, such as booking international flights, applying for visas, or even for identity verification processes.
What documents do I need to provide?
To retrieve your passport number, you would typically need to verify your identity. These identity verification documents could include 1. Proof of citizenship. This could be a birth certificate, certificate of citizenship, or naturalization document. 2. Proof of identity. This might be a driver's license, a military ID, or any government-issued identification that includes your photo. 3. Application form for a lost or replacement passport. This form is generally available on the website of your country's passport issuing authority. Remember, the specific documents required might vary depending on your country's policies.
What's the process?
Once you have the necessary documents, you need to reach out to the passport issuing authority in your country. This could be a passport office, consulate, embassy, or an online portal, depending on your country's processes. You may have to submit a formal application or request to retrieve your passport number. This process may involve an interview or further verification steps to ensure the security of your personal information. In conclusion, finding your passport number involves having the right identification documents and engaging with your local passport authority. Always remember to safeguard your personal identification documents and keep a note of important numbers like your passport number in a secure place. We hope this guide has been useful in helping you understand how to retrieve your passport number. Safe travels!